The sky turns a bruised shade of purple right before a massive storm hits, and you just know the grid is about to give up. That familiar click followed by total silence is a sound most of us absolutely dread. But there's a massive difference between scrambling for flashlights in the dark and having your home spring back to life in seconds. We are looking at a high-capacity standby system that acts like a permanent bodyguard for your electrical panel. This is not a little portable unit you have to drag out of the garage while it is pouring rain. It stays outside year-round in a rugged enclosure built to handle the worst weather nature can throw at it. The real magic happens with the automatic transfer switch. It monitors the utility line constantly. When the power vanishes, the system detects the drop and starts up immediately. It handles the transition so smoothly you might only see a tiny flicker of the lights before everything is back to normal. This level of automation is a lifesaver if you are away on vacation or if the power goes out in the middle of the night. You do not have to mess with extension cords or messy fuel cans in the freezing cold. It hooks directly into your existing natural gas or liquid propane line. That means the fuel supply is basically endless as long as your utility is flowing. For anyone with medical equipment or a basement that needs a sump pump to stay dry, this is not just a luxury. It is a critical necessity. It provides a massive safety net for families with elderly members who cannot be left without climate control or working medical devices. You can keep the air conditioning running, the refrigerators cold, and the security system active without having to pick favorites. Of course, the amount of gear you can run depends on your specific setup. A high-output unit like this can usually handle a standard house with ease. But you have to be smart about your total electrical load. If you have multiple heavy air conditioners and a massive electric water heater, you might need to prioritize certain zones. Modern connectivity also makes a huge difference in the ownership experience. You get alerts on your phone about maintenance needs or general system status. You can be halfway across the country and know for a fact that your house is still powered up and protected. It removes the stress and the guesswork from owning a piece of heavy machinery. Moving into the next few years, having this kind of reliability is becoming a standard for many homeowners who want to stay prepared. We're seeing more frequent storms and aging infrastructure that just cannot keep up with modern demands. A permanent backup solution takes the anxiety out of those situations. It is a significant investment up front, but the peace of mind is hard to quantify until you actually need it. You stop worrying about the food in the freezer rotting or the pipes freezing during a sudden winter blackout. It is about maintaining a normal life when the world outside is falling apart. You get to keep your internet connection and your lights while the rest of the neighborhood is sitting in the dark, waiting for a crew to show up. That kind of stability is worth its weight in gold in our modern world. It gives you the freedom to ignore the weather forecast and just live your life.